Hello everyone, it's Shaminu here from Tech Tasted channel and welcome to my channel to brand new video. And today let's dive into the Linkee. That's Linkee, and Linkee was a automatic backlink outrager, also a mail campaigning and lot of option here. You can create your campaign here. Here is in the left side. Here is the can you can create your project. Where is the campaign in the mailbox, whatever you are in the mail inbox here, trash projects, in the projects, email account, campaign status, email setting, and here is the your email account and email templates. You can create your email accounts, how many can take your email accounts here. My email account I can active here, you can check here from your own. And also email, in the email account you can create, connect your email, lot of all the email from here. And this email also you can select your for your project and create your new email to sender. Where is the crm, the crm, there is a serum for the, I can create a campaign from the guest posting, and there was a serum result, there was a email sending for now connected. Okay, now first I go from the add all campaign. When is the in the all campaign, in this section all campaign, create your new campaign in the plus button here. You can create the, when you create the new campaign, then choose a campaign template, link, insert and find and get links from existing article relevant to your keyword. And the link insert from the existing article, there's a link insert an option. You can here you select your project and campaign name and choose keyword perspectives, and the next time you are campaigning your next campaign for the link insertion. Whenever you come to guest posting there's a two type. Choose the method, to method, or from the guest posting create your manually in the manually just select your project campaign name, choose keyword, and here, or even the create with AI, there's effortless find in accurate links to relevant article. And there was a choosing your campaign name, target URL, keywords, what the keyword are selected from to campaign your linking, what type of linking, send email account, what's the email account you should. And there's the option website, blogger, business service, there's a coming soon, not now our blog are available. These are not are including now, business service, e-commerce, news, other answers, there's including coming soon. Sender email, you are choose here the lot of your all sender email, and at least one sender to send the link from the reach outreach email and targeted your email. And define metrics coming soon, it's also coming soon. Hrefs are not installed here. Website traffic minimum 1000, domain rating 20, how many site should be you contacted. uh, it's here, you can one site 50 cost, total credit cost 50, or you can do 5 course then 250. And there's a choose from here and go through the next, and then compose your own message from your templates. And templates are ready-made templates also here, and you can select your campaign templates from or automated. There is the option campaign type and loading. Here is the result. Just I am creating campaign from the guest posting from your all campaign. This is the guest posting. I can choose here to 5 website guest posting my project type for AI dot not manually. I'm searching for keyword, just like digital marketing or something type of searching for me to linking. There is the match it 5 and prospect 5, contacted already one. There's created date and today created by me. Here is the option is outreaches or pause. You can also pause here the data and created by me. And this also in the crm part, the result, the in the crm parts, the email project tags is replied from date to date tld.com or net. And this is this is the full name, the email, the outreach email, this is the outreach from me from the targeted keyword and the website. What is the website I'm from? I can guess posting here. There's a contacted, also they are automatically contacted my mailing. Okay. Okay, now I am again in the new campaign. For you are showing there's the competitor backlink. There's not analyze your accurate competitors backlink, but this is also not coming soon. The SaaS product finds SaaS website relevant to your keywords, SaaS website for your linking. They're also same type of this campaign name, project, and choose the keyword and the prospect source, and this automatically generated from you to Linkee. And e-commerce, find e-commerce website relevant to your keyword. Business or services, find business services website relevant to your keywords. Manage backlink by the Loopex Digital, backlink and digital PR campaign set and managed for you. Whereas the you can calendly.com, go into the calendly.com. Loopex Digital, Loopex Digital are managed there. Now I am going into the email account. There is a email account and email template. There is a email template here. There's a three-way exchange collaboration by Linkee. You can check here for your email account at the preview email. Look at this, the content opportunities with computer analysis. Here also preview. Here is the preview type: subject, feature, opportunity in a high authority publications. Hi team, we are preparing an article to be featured on highly reputable website. The article will receive plenty of exposure due to the site's strong domain authority and high traffic. We'd love to include you in the piece. Yes, it would be great. There was a perfect mail for you, ready-made template, and just create your for the just name your signature and resend. Uh, Again, there's another mail template: content opportunities with computer analysis, content opportunities with computer analysis insight. Hi first name, just your name, and hope doing well. The messages are for you is ready-made template for for Linkee to outreach your mail. Here's the Linkee AI doc loop, Linkee AI doc X Loop X Digital, your next level link building and digital PR service. Name, email, who is backlink we are interested, blog, SaaS or digital PR, and most detail here and submit. This is powered by Calendly. Why choose I? We deserve every step for a process for gathering the right publication, sustainable high authority links. And this is helpful for you to link creation and link finding for you. Guest post collaboration, you also guest post collaboration in the email template and collaboration for link placement. Here is the credit option shows from you. I have a now 500 credit, use 250, and that's for you. In the you can also create a new template from your mail, and this is my project. You can create your new project from here. And sorry, now I have not upgraded here for this time. I'm not here. And create your new campaign from link building in certain or guest posting or email outreaches. Also you can email outreaches here from mail email outreach here for contact through personal email outreach campaign. You can create your again campaigning here and prospect your source to campaign to outreach. Email outreach is deselected and the pyramid template also used from the Linkee. And this is now is lifetime deal ltd from the AppSumo lifetime deal. In the AppSumo lifetime deal there is a Linkee now in the live, so hurry to buy this. And there's a 3 tier lifetime deal, license tier 169 and 3 to 79. I can suggest to you is license tier 279 is the worth it for all the all the prospect are available. However, user seed unlimited, credit per month 9,000, project unlimited, link email account unlimited, link prospect database. But in the tier 1 there is a limited or credit per month 2,000, project 1, link email 3, and user seed 2. And there's lots of CRM perspective that are included in tier one: product listing, partners list management, user management, advanced user roles and project, and show all include feature AI campaign, email outreach, prospect href metrics, and this is our included all three features. So check it and build your link again. And that's all for me now. Thank you, and buying from my description link below, and then I will qualify purchasing, I can generate an affiliate income. Thank you, and please share my link, please buy from my links, this is also helpful for me. Thank you, and like my videos, and please also comment below